Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheng Nyek. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube even if you don't want to show your face. If you are somebody who want to create a faceless YouTube channel, like you don't want to appear on camera due to the fear or whatever you have, in this tutorial video I will show you how you can create a faceless YouTube video or YouTube channel where you do not want to appear on camera, and you can be able to make money on YouTube, because YouTube is a big place, it's a big company. Yes, it is possible. Many people can earn good income on YouTube without ever appearing on camera, and you can do it too. Why not? And the first way is to use your voice only. You can record tutorial, explain idea, or read news. Just add picture, text, or video on the screen while you talk in the background. And let me just show you how to do that. Just simply go direct online and look for voice recorder like this website here. Simply go direct into the website and click this red button. So let me show you how to record that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel. So as you can see, after you record your voice, you stop, and then you can save it on your computer or use your mobile phone. You can use your mobile, or you can use your very computer that you are using. This is a very simple step. If you follow this, it will help you to grow. It will help you to put this voice into your video. Step 2, you can create text-to-speech or subtitle. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use text-to-speech software, or you can make videos with text and subtitle only. People love short and clear information video. Let me show you how to do that. Go online and search for this website called voicemaker.in. In voicemaker.in, you can simply come into this box, this form, and put the text that you want to convert, text to speech or subtitle. After you put your text or you paste it here, just do some adjustment here. Okay, you can adjust the volume, voice speed, voice pitch, and so on. You can even put audio setting like what type of format you want your audio TV. So after you're done configuring all these things, all you gotta do is convert to speech. If you click convert to speech, you can see that it is here, this one. You can play it here, and you can be able to hear the sample of the voice. You can just simply tweak something here, adjusting the volume, and what is important here is voice pitch, so that your text voice will not resemble somebody that used this website. So this website is good website to convert your text into speech. It will help you, to create a faceless YouTube channel. And I believe that you catch the name. Voicemaker.in. Just go direct straight to the website and then go and do your thing there. Step 3 is screen recording. You can record your computer screen or phone screen. For example, tutorial about application, website, or how to use certain software. This is very popular and doesn't need your face. And let me show you that. Well, to record your screen window, you can use Windows 10. You have to press Window key plus Alt plus R to start or stop recording, or open the Xbox game bar by pressing Window key plus G and click the record button. The recorded video are saved in the capture folder within your video folder. You can also use others application. Okay, that this application can also help you. For example, I'm using this software here. Okay, this is a software. You can see it here. It has a record button right here. You can simply adjust it and put it to your, like, the place that you want to record. This one will help you when you want to record the screen of your computer. You can simply click record there, and then boom, you are done. The first step is slideshow videos. Collect photos, stock videos, or simple animation. Turn them into a slideshow and add background music or voiceover. This is great for motivation videos, history, travel, or education. Let me show you. Well, go direct into this website called pixels.com. This is where you can find all the stock photos and videos that you can use. You simply have to click search here. There's a search button somewhere around here. Let's click pixels, and then here there's a search here. You can simply search any photo of your choice or any footage that you want to use on your video. Like you see all this thing, and then after that you just simply click download here. So it will help you to create a slide photo or simply a video. So this website, keep it in mind, pixel.com, it is free. You can use the photo that you get there and then use them on your faceless channel. Step 5, game videos. If you love gaming, just record your gameplay. Add your voice if you like, or keep it simple with text and background music. You can go direct into website here into Google and then search for the game that you can use. Me, I use Far Cry. You can also use racing game. You can use Mortal Kombat, any game of your choice. You can also use PUBG if you want to. Just simply go direct into Google and search for the game that you can use. This will help your faceless YouTube channel to grow without even showing your face. To start earning, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short view. After that, you can join YouTube partner program and make money from ads. Without all this requirement here, if you don't gain all this requirement, YouTube will not accept you. So to be part of YouTube program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So if you create quality videos on your faceless YouTube channel, I'm sure you will gain all this, because coming up with the idea, creating videos, it needs hard work, and it also want you to be consistent to what you do, and this is how you can grow. So remember, you don't need to show your face to succeed on YouTube. Start with what you have, choose your style, and keep uploading. With time, your channel will grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. See you in the next video. Bye bye.